As we talk about these lessons from the Yoga Sutras, keep in mind that this is a manual, if you will, on how to allow the mind or have our mind work for us. How to get the mind to become our greatest asset. Our mind is our greatest asset. And unfortunately, we don't use that great asset. Our mind actually controls us. She is trying to pull you where she wants to go. Where your thoughts go, your mind goes. And where your mind goes, your energy goes. Our mind is pulling us. So we are constantly being pulled in all of these different directions. So the Yoga Sutras is asking you, let's start getting it to work. What are these distractions? What is pulling me in this way and that way? This is work that you have to do on yourself. This is called practice, spiritual practice. Spiritual practice is when you come to your yoga mat in the morning, or you come to your meditation space, or you have that space in the morning to look at what are the things that are starting to surface? What is causing me suffering? What is getting in the way, of where I really want to be?